Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in today's tutorial what I'd like to show you is this sweeping bend to the left. We're on Dolly's Rocks Road, which is in Queensland, and we have a warning sign which is yellow and black, and it tells us that the road goes to the left up ahead and the suggested speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Now, this is not a regulatory sign, which means that it's not an actual speed limit, but it is a suggested speed that we should be considering taking our vehicle around this sweeping bend to the left. Now, if it was a situation in a Q-Safe driving test, which is the testing system that's used in Queensland, where someone went around a bend like this and they were above 40 kilometers an hour, let's say they're doing 45, they might manage that sweeping bend to the left quite adequately. However, they would be 5 kilometers over that limit. Now, you would probably find that a driving examiner wouldn't give them a critical driving error, which would lead to an unsuccessful assessment. The examiner would be probably inclined to give them a non-critical driving error, and for doing 45 in a 40 suggested speed area like this. And it would usually come under the category of progress on the Q-Safe form, because in terms of best practice, they are going faster than the suggested speed limit. Now, this speed limit is set by traffic engineers, police, main roads, etc., local council. They all have stakeholders who have input into these situations, and also there could be past crash data on areas as well. But if I were to consider where my eyes were going as I go into this corner, I would be making sure that I looked as far as possible to the left of the situation that captured any potential oncoming traffic as early as possible. So what I'm going to do is drive up and just reposition myself to make that point as we go around a bend to the left. So I've repositioned myself so that I'm about 50 meters before the corner. To the middle of the image, you can see a black and white directional sign showing drivers that the road is sweeping around to the left. And before you come into a sweeping bend like this, you would do your braking before you came into the corner rather than on the corner. That way we're adequately preparing for the situation. Now, the mistake that some drivers make is to look straight ahead, where what we really want to do is we want to look through the corner. So if I just pan to the left like that, we can see that the driver's eyes should be working around that corner to where they're going.